Black Friday. Every day in this world is a Black Friday, where big and small stores are open in each market, where everything is at half its worth. Right from the dawn, crowds come flooding in, each person carrying pockets heavy with money. The sellers are as happy as there are many people. Every day in this world is a Black Friday, where someone's soil is put on auction, where someone's dreams are sold cheap, where the powerful buy the dreams of the weak, where the tall prefer the bargains of the lowly. There is a crowd that breaks on cheap honors. Here there are crowds upon the beloved of peace. There are strong bungalow owners that break on mud houses. Every day in this world is a Black Friday, a Snake Friday stitched from human skin, where everyone buys the fruit of life cheap. Some sell war, some offer death, some shout loud, cheap soul, buy it. Someone has written free upon the homeland of the poor. Some sell fables of honor. Others carve upon history of human in bold script, buy me. Every day in this world is a Black Friday. Some have opened a grand store of houris. For some the pavements are full with cheap havens. Some gives hell to sinners for free. An endless queue is built for the goods of faith. Somewhere a lofty man has built a martyr's bazaar. Here the market of reward is looted. There a market of mighties thrive, built on the sufferings of the helpless. Every day in this world is a Black Friday. Every day in this world is an auction. Human heads are sold very cheap there. Their prayers are done by blood, a Friday woven from fire.